Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your comment to a pin um, on the pinterest.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. And after that, go to your homepage by tapping on this home button in the upper left corner of the screen. Then start searching among your pins in your feed, and then tap on the picture to which you would like to add your comment. Here you can find all of the comments. Tap on the add a comment section down below, and then type in your comment. Tap on this button next to it in order to post your comment. And here you can find it. If you want to, you can tap on the more button and then edit your comment or delete it completely. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.